What's up everybody? In this video I'm going to show you 5 crypto projects that in my opinion they can do very well. They can do probably 10x, maybe 100x, maybe even more. It all depends going to be on market conditions and how much hype they're going to be getting, but in my opinion they have a lot of room to grow and a lot of gains to be made. But before I show you the projects, just have to state something. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. This video is for educational and entertainment purpose only. Anything that I'm going to show you or I'm going to state in this video is just my personal opinion. So the first project is called Altura. It's a Web3 infrastructure for gaming. So Altura is an ultimate platform for building and scaling Web3 games. It simplifies building, scaling, and monetizing Web3 games, offering seamless API and SDKs for hassle-free NFT integrations. And they have a link tree, they have a website. You can go and look and read a little bit more about this project. And at the time of recording this video, they have 137,000 followers on their Twitter. So they have a really good and strong community. And if we go to CoinGecko, look at their tokenomics and how much do they cost. So at the time of recording this video, their tokens close to 7 cents per token, supply 719 million. It looks like they're on BNB chain, and trading volume is actually really good as well, over a million and a half, and then market cap is 49 millions. So this is still pretty low for such a big project like this. It's still pretty low market cap. I think this market cap can go a lot higher. And then if we scroll down, take a look at all times high and all times low. So all times low, it was fraction of the penny, and all times high 46 cents. And everything that this project already achieved, I think this project can do at least 10x, maybe even 40 to 50x in a upcoming bull run. So this is one of them, and you can pick up this project on PancakeSwap and different bunch of exchanges. And then the second project, it's called Cytos Heroes, and Cytos Heroes is pioneering Web3 space-based gaming metaverse with epic lore, tradable tokens, and valuable resources. So as you can see, they have huge community with 935,000 followers on their Twitter. They have their website, Linktree, that you can find a lot of information on it, and looks like they're also selling Cytos game on Amazon. So this is pretty huge. And let's take a look at their tokenomics on CoinGecko. So at the time of recording this video, as you can see, each token doesn't even cost a penny. So for less than a cent, you can get a token. Circulation supply is pretty big, 18 billion. But still, I think this project has a lot of room to grow. And then let's take a look at over here. All times high was 20 cents. We don't even need to go all times high to get 10 or even 20x return on this project, probably even more. And I believe this project can do actually very well in the next bull run. So this is another one with high hopes, bright future, can do very well. And then the third project, it's called Blocktopia. Blocktopia is one-stop shop for everything cryptocurrency NFT. Whether you're learning the ropes or diving into advanced topics, Blocktopia offers a rich, immersive virtual environment for earning, playing, and connecting. And as you can see, they have a link tree, they have a different bunch of websites, and then they also have their homepage, and you can download Blocktopia on Android and iPhones. And then they have 330,000 followers on their Twitter, also very huge community. So if we look at their tokens here, again at the time of recording this video, each token is not even a penny. For 1 cent you can get 4 tokens. If we look at the total supply, 200 billions, that's a huge supply, but for the price of the token, I think this project can do very well. If we scroll down, as you can see, this project went all the way up 17 cents. All times low was 3 months ago. This project has a lot of potential. Doesn't even need to get back to all times high to actually make 10x gain or 20x gain. If this project can get up to 20 cents just slightly from previous time high, this is going to be 100x. And this token looks like on Polygon chain, and you can purchase from many different centralized exchanges. And then let's take a look at project number 4. It's called Afen Officials. Afen is building a blockchain-powered multiverse interoperable games and metaverses together with global community of co-creators, they are forging a sustainable economy, converging the virtual and real world. They also have really good community on their Twitter. They have a Linktree website you can go and learn, and looks like everything is reimagine a play and earn metaverse. So it looks like they also have different options in their ecosystem. We're not gonna dive deep into it. We're just gonna look at their tokens, and then tokens right here. So you can buy one token for 2 cents. Total supply is 1 billion, but in circulation it's only 351 million tokens. So if we go down a little bit, we can see right here all-time low literally was just recently, and it's only 96% from all-time low, and in the last bull run they went up to 1.84 per token. So with that being said, if it's gonna reach previous time high, this is gonna be technically 100x on this token. So this is another one I think it has a huge potential, up to 100x, maybe even more, because this bull run, one of the biggest focus is gonna be on gaming, metaverse, and other tokens that are gonna be relating to gaming. And let's take a look at the last project. Last project, it's called Up Only. So Up Only is building the industry first real-time data directory for play-to-earn blockchain games, positioned to be go-to resource and offers unparalleled insight and analytics for decentralized gaming world. So they also have a really good community, 110,000 followers. They have a website. You can connect with the community through Telegram or read all the news on Telegram. And then let's look at their tokens as well. At the time of recording, each token costs 16 cents, almost 17 cents. Their supply is though 160 million. It's actually a really small supply. They're Polygon chain, and if we scroll down, as you can see right here, all times high was over $1.16. So if it's gonna reach a little over all times high, this can be easy 10x, and I think this project has actually bigger potential with all collaboration and all the development that they're working on. This project can do a lot more than 10x. So with that being said, in my opinion, I think it's not too late to get on this project as well. And trading value is 1.5 million 24 hours. So it's not bad as well. And this is pretty much it. This is 5 projects that I'm keeping my eye on. I think they have a 10 to 100x or maybe even more potential for this upcoming bull run. Good luck to everybody, and thanks for watching.